And this pizza is the spiciest one ever. Ha ha ha! Oh, my stars!
Dad, did you eat spicy things again? Oh, come on!
Oh, hello, Bowser. Seeing as you've arrived with Junior, something must have definitely happened to you.
The situation is serious, Mario.
My dad ate spicy peppers again. I warned him.
You should have listened to Junior.
Come on, guys. Let's figure out how to get rid of Hiccups.
I think we should try shocking him with a snowball.
That makes perfect sense. He doesn't like the cold very much.
Then I'm going into Nintendo and getting a snowball. You stay put and behave here, Bowser. Bowser had been sick before. I don't know if you remember. He asked us for help again back then. Here's a snowball. Let's see if it works. The snowball is very fragile, but it doesn't really matter. There are snowballs everywhere. If it drops, I'll find another one. Hey, don't come at me. The ground is already slippery. Hello, little bunny. You don't have to be scared, my little friend. I'm just passing by. Oh, here's another one. Now I need to take this one to the Mushroom Kingdom. These shoes are so slippery. Oh, are you ready to get cold, Bowser? Catch this, Bowser. Oh, it's melting.
Why are you surprised, Mario? Okay, we'll see if it works. Oh, come on, it's still going.
I think this is so fun.
Okay, I have an interesting idea. Let's see if it works. Okay, first, I need to find King Boo, and then I must carefully take him to the Mushroom Kingdom. Of course, he needs to follow me for that. When Bowser suddenly sees King Boo appear behind him, he will be startled, and his hiccups will stop. Where are you, King Boo? Oh, so you're waiting outside. Okay, I'm coming. Follow me, friend. I think Bowser will definitely be very scared. Endless doors, come on! That's it! Come on, buddy. I have a surprise for you. Follow me. Oh, fantastic. One more. Huh? It wasn't real. The exit should be this way. Come on, King Boo. Don't waste time, my friend. Keep following me. I can't believe I'm doing this. I might even say I'm starting to have a little fun. I have to walk very slowly to make sure he's following, and I shouldn't look at him. Ooh, so close. I can feel it.
Come on! That didn't work either, and I was genuinely scared.
We need to find something more effective, Mario. Do you have an idea?
Certainly, Junior. I'll be back shortly. If he drinks plenty of water, I think this time it will work.
The definitive solution, then.
Absolutely, Junior. I need a lot of water, so I must keep going without slowing down. Get out of my way, Boom Boom. I'll see you later. I see the pipe. It's time to get out of here. Wow! I found plenty of water. I can fill the shell with it. I should do this a little further ahead. Yes, it's filling up. Let's fill it up a little more. Okay, that's it.
I hope it works.
Slow down, Bowser. You're spilling it.
Enough is enough! Why won't these hiccups stop? I'm starting to get angry now. Ooh, there are the ones who can stop my hiccups.
You'll see that in your dreams, Bowser. Maybe if we make him sneeze, his hiccups will go away. For this, we can use the feather from Lemmy's hair.
The princess found the solution, as always. Okay, let's find Lemmy now. If we can make Bowser sneeze, his hiccups will definitely stop. Do you have the key, I wonder? Or do you have it? Yes, I found it. I need to get to the top. If I can find a trampoline, I can jump up there. Let's see where the door opens to. I am definitely in the right place. Come on over, I need you. We're going on a little trip. Let's watch out for the bombs. They are following us. Yes, here we are. Now I can reach the pipe thanks to you, my friend. You saved me a lot of time. There you are, Lemmy. I have a feather I need to borrow from you. What do you say? Is that possible? Okay, I guess we'll do this the hard way. I preferred the yellow one, by the way. Yes, that's it. Ah, great. It makes a wonderful decoration for my hat. Would you like to do this, Junior?
This is totally for me. Here we go. Come on, Dad. Let's see you sneeze.
Come on, that's not funny, Junior. Huh? Achoo!
Oopsie. You look so funny, Dad.
Bowser, you look great. It really suits you.
So you're looking for fun. Then the real fun starts now. Let's see what you have to say about this.
Bowser, stop! You can't do this!
Watch and see.
Mario, wake up, Mario. Come on.
I'm fine, and I'm gonna make you pay for this, Bowser.
We have to hurry, Mario! You made a huge mistake, Bowser. We're going to show you. Come on, brother!
Here we go.
Wait for us, Yoshi. We will save you.
You can run, Bowser, but you can never hide, my friend. He locked the door, but you can't stop me. I always find a way. Hey, get out of my way, Chain Chomp. Yes, exactly like this. I'll be right back. I hope I can find the key here. Here I go. I have to be very fast and pop the balloon. Yes, just like that. I must be faster. Faster still, come on. Yes, I did it. One, two, yes.
Ooh, are we going to play a little game? Okay, I'm ready, but I'll put on my catsuit and then come. Of course, I will have to get it from another game. Here we go. Yes, I need to reach the place you see on the left. There it is! The cat bell is on the tree. Let's go and get it. Hello, my little friend. I would love to play a game, but I'm in a hurry. Yes, now I am ready. Let's start. Next. Okay, one more. Come on, buddy. It's starting to get a little hot in here. Yes.
Let's keep going. Wait for us, Bowser. Ooh, this place looks a little mess. Will getting to the top be a little difficult? Of course not. There's no such thing as difficult for the Super Mario Brothers. Hey! Hey! What's with this silence? Never mind. It seems like interesting things are happening. Boo, the music is back. Never mind. Let's see what's on the upper floor. A P-switch? I'm taking it with me then.
Wait a minute. This is Bowser's castle, so there should be lava and flames. But how can there be ice on the wall? Although, I shouldn't be surprised by this. Come on, I must stop now. It was bound to happen. I must get out of here now. Run faster, Luigi, run! Finally!
So that's what the P-switch was for. But before that, a POW block will be needed. Here it comes. Let the journey begin. No one can stop me now. I'm coming, Bowser! Wow, I saw the flag. Come on, let's jump to the very top. There's very, very little left, Yoshi. Wait for me.
Are you the one guarding this place? Come on! Hey, where are those little tiny ghost noises coming from? Hey, look! I have the same thing too! Haha! Do you like my hat? Hello to you two. It will be better if I reach the top. Come on, let's use that hat. Now is the perfect time. The hat fell off, but it worked.
I think I've reached the castle where Bowser is hiding. Hang in there, Yoshi. I'm coming. Did you hide the door like this? Congratulations, guys. You did a great job. Dry bones! Too easy, of course. But what are these? I'm seeing them for the first time. There is a shell inside.
Welcome, Mario. Oh, come on.
If I unlock the key, Yoshi will fall into the lava. Wait a minute, I have an idea. I must go back to the other room. I will use the shell. That way, the lava can't hurt me. Here begins the hardest mission. Yoshi, the clown car will hold you, buddy. Are you ready?
Yoshi!
Then hold on tight, my little friend. We're starting. Okay. I told you it would be difficult.
Congratulations, Mario. You could have let Yoshi fall into the lava, but you didn't fall for it.
You can't lift me, Bowser. Never forget that, buddy. Come on, Yoshi. It's time to teach Bowser the lesson he deserves. Do you feel it, Bowser? You are about to go into your own lava forever. That's how simple it is. Come on, Yoshi. It's time to return to the Mushroom Kingdom. You were great, Yoshi. Did you see the look on Bowser's face?
Thank you, Luigi. And thank you, Mario. And we are together again.
Thanks for watching. And please, don't forget to subscribe.